Hello everybody, today I'm going to be going over whether or not you can use the Monostable switch in the My 2020 and Plus Stelvios and Giulias, and yes, you can. Race mode works just fine with the Monostable switch, Monostable being where you just move it and it stays in the same place. See, race mode and it reverts back to the same place. So, race mode works just fine. Traction control is fully off. In the rear-wheel drive variant, you'll be able to do burnouts. In the all-wheel drive variant, you'll be able to slip out in corners more to go faster without traction control limiting you. You're going to get the full functionality in the screen on here. You're not going to get the shift lights. That's not going to work even if you do have paddle shifters. So you're going to get it on here. You're not going to get it on here because it just doesn't work for whatever reason on the 2020 Plus Stelvios. There are good videos on YouTube, like with channels by Modded Motors or other people. I watched a Modded Motors video and they made a good tutorial on how to use MultiEcuScan, but I just wanted to go over it to show what my experience was. So adding race mode, pretty simple. Go into MultiEcuScan, navigate to the page. You have two options, Type 2 and Type 3. Type 2, you're going to get race mode's functionalities without the actual race mode logo and screen. Type 3, you're going to get the race mode logo and screen. So Type 2, I believe, is going to say DNA and Sport, and then Type 3 is just going to say, well, either DNA or nothing. But don't worry, that works. Type 3 is the one that I used. It worked for me, and I have a 2021 Stelvio. So you can go ahead with that. With the proxy alignment. Proxy alignment is what you're going to have to do afterwards. So don't use a Bluetooth connection. It will fail. It won't work properly. Use a wired connection. If you're having problems with a Bluetooth connection, that's why. Make sure to use a wired connection and everything will go through properly. For the Stelvio, you only need, in the Giulia, you only need the blue and gray cables. You don't need the rest. Blue and gray, you're going to be able to do all the modules and all the functionalities. So with that being said, that is pretty much it. Race mode works perfectly. MultiEcuScan is relatively easy to use, and I'm all set. So be safe and have fun.